do people do this? How do you people do this? You people that are wig wearers, please. What? What is this? What? What is this?
I need $1 million. Baby, why, oh, why? You ain't no undercover, my girl.
Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Eunice Akwaba. It's saying today's video I'm dipping my toe into the wig game. Before we jump into the video, can you guys make sure that you're subscribed down below, turn on your post notifications so when I upload a video you know to come and hang out with me. If you guys don't know, if you're new here, I am a natural girl partner. I'm going to be installing I think it's a closure wig because it's not a frontal, it doesn't go all the way around, but it's like a U part but with the lace. Okay, I have already washed it when I received it, but I put it back in the packaging just to give you the aesthetics. It comes in this bag, which I feel like is the perfect storage bag for wigs. They advise you to co-wash it, so I washed it with my Cream of Nature conditioner. You will also receive a hair maintenance guide, so it tells you things you can and can't do with the hair, things you're advised to do. So it literally gives you everything you need to know in this little booklet. So like I mentioned before, I have already co-washed it with my Cream of Nature Intensive Cream something conditioner, and then it also comes in this extra bag. So I'm gonna show you. It's so soft. Like I said, I've already opened it and washed it, so I have had an experience with this already. It's really soft. Like I said before, it's not a full lace, but it does give you a parting space. The construction is very simple, so for any beginners out there, this is the perfect wig for you. And I don't know, because I'm not really a wig girl, so let me know if the parting is good, because I don't know if the parting is good. My hair is not in cornrows, but I've got it as flat as possible. I feel like I can get away with it because of how big the wig already is. I already have got to be, because I use it for my ponytail sometimes, and I also have the black got to be gel. I've got a mousse to lay my edges. I have one of those thing to really lay the closure. I've got some bobby pins and edge control, and I got a wig cap. But now that I'm looking at it, I feel like the wig cap might be a bit too dark for my scalp. Actually no, it's perfect. Okay, so obviously I need to put this behind, pop this behind, push it all the way back, push it all the way back. Okay, and now we have the wig. I am just gonna go and put it on. Ooh. How do you guys do this? Oh my goodness. So I need to, position it where I need it. I don't know what I'm doing. I won't even lie to you. I don't know what I'm doing. Okay, so here I'm just really focused on trying to get the wig on properly, so I just forgot to even explain what I was doing. But yeah, I'm just aligning the wig to match my hairline and to get the combs in so everything is intact. Okay, yeah, this wig is very tight. Very, very tight. So I mean, once you get the combs in, I think you'll be good to go. So let me just get my combs into place. Okay. Oh wow. I feel like I can do without the wig cap, or maybe I should bring it forward. See, this is why. Yeah, no, I think I can do without the wig cap. Okay, I'm gonna get the gel and I'm just gonna rub it on my hair. Like really define the parting. And I think it might be easier for me if I cut the lace. I'm gonna try and cut it in like a zigzag. I'm not gonna show this because I don't know what I'm doing. Let's try again. How do you people do this? You people that are wig wearers, please. Oh, I'm gonna mess around and cut my edges. That's what I'm gonna do.
It's me again. Okay, so this part I don't really know what I was trying to do. I was just trying to do what I've seen people do and it just basically didn't work for me. I ended up pulling out too much hair. I tried to pull out a bit of my hair and this part I just kept in because it's a realistic part of me making a mistake and fixing it. So yeah, I hope it's helpful to anyone if you end up maybe making a mistake like this, an easy way to fix it. But yeah, I just pulled out my hair, which was way too much, so you saw like my red hair in the black hair, which didn't look good. So just tucked that back inside and I kept on pushing, you know.
Okay, so you guys have just seen me put some got2b gel and the spray on my forehead. You guys let it dry, right? My wig wearers that watch me, you guys let this dry for a bit. I will leave a link. I have an affiliate link, so if you're in the business of helping to pay my bills, I will leave the link down below so you guys can, you know, check it out. I do get a commission if you purchase it through the link I provide. So just for an FYI, I'm filming this on Black Pound today, so you're supporting a black business and you're supporting a black YouTuber. I'm really liking this wig. I don't know how long I'm supposed to let this dry for. I really like these. Okay, I'm impatient, so I'm going to bring it and I'm going to lay. Oh my god, the wig gurus are probably screaming that I'm doing this wrong. If I told you that I knew what I was doing, I'd be telling a bald-faced lie. Am I supposed to dry it? I'm just gonna hold this in place once it dries. I'm gonna give myself some baby hairs because this is not happening. I have this thin stocking thing. I mean, I'm used to like hairstyles that require arm strength, but I have met my match. Okay, so whilst that is like, you know, resting and doing that, I'm gonna go off and I'll come back in like 10 minutes or something. Hey. What is this? What is this, Eunice? I'm gonna get just water and some cotton pads and try and wipe this off. But the wig is laid. It's absolutely laid. So I'm feeling that I'm gonna do some baby hairs construction. This is not what I do. This is not my bag. Okay, so maybe this is too long. Edge control. Something is telling me that I should have put on the wig cap. Something is telling me. But that something told me too late. I'm using my Makeup Evolution foundation in the shade 16. Woo! Okay. I feel like I should have gone a bit lighter. Then I'm gonna spray this on top just to kind of like balance it out. I'm gonna use my mousse. God, this wig is so nice. I'm just gonna put the mousse like around, just to, like, you know, bring the texture back into life. Shed hair because I'm like thinking detangling, but there's a lot of hair, so if it's shedding a little bit, it's alright. See, like, this frames my face. Oh wow. Hey mia, it is me, it is me. So I'm gonna repeat the same thing I've done. sorry, were you talking to me? Me? I am so sorry, I cannot hear you over how loud my hair is. I am so impressed with myself. I'm so impressed with myself. Well done, Eunice. The texture, the lace, like everything. Wow. Okay, this is gonna be the end of the video. I hope you guys really enjoyed it. I did, even though obviously we went into some trials and tribulations. But I think say yeah. I think say yeah idea. My idea one. Bonsem. Bonsem mommy. For my first lace closure situation, you can't tell me anything. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. As you can tell, I really did enjoy it. I will catch you guys in my next one. Don't forget to subscribe and like, comment below a black heart if you've watched it to this far. Thank you so much for watching. I will catch you guys in my next one.